So today we're going to be showing you how to use a weed eater when you're quarantined. Alright, get over here by the trampoline. We're going to go by the trampoline. Here we go. Oh, you're going to do it by the tree? We're learning life skills out here, having fun. Look at this guy work.
Just did it.
All right, you gotta get up closer to this. So when you teach your kids to use weed eaters and things like that, make sure they have safety glasses on. Also, make sure that you're very hard on them so they learn well. Oh, you missed the spot. Right here. Right there. Yep, get in there. Don't cut through. Hold it back. Don't cut that. Alright, you're doing better. Now get that spot right there.
So he kind of looks like he's using a cane while he's weed eating, but it's okay.
We call that the drag method.
Where's the long grass? Right here. Cut all these onions down. Get it. Yeah. Ah! Go over there. Sheesh. Alright, hold it up a little bit. Alright. Yeah, there you go. Cut that grass. You gotta hold it up. Okay. Here.